Share TA-003-P real questions to practice for HashiCorp Certified. Terraform Associate. 003 exam. 1. What are some benefits of using Sentinel with Terraform Cloud? Terraform Cloud. Choose 3 correct answers. A. You can enforce a list of approved AWS AMOS. B. Policy as code can enforce security best practices. C. You can check out and check in cloud access keys. D. You can restrict specific resource configurations, such as disallowing the use of CIDR equals 0.0.0.0/0. E. Sentinel policies can be written in HashiCorp Configuration Language, HCL. Answer: A, B, D. 2. Which of the following is not a key principle of infrastructure as code? A. Self-describing infrastructure. B. Idempotence. C. Versioned infrastructure. D. Golden images. Answer: D. 3. How would you output returned values from a child module in the Terraform CLI output? A. Declare the output in the root configuration. B. Declare the output in the child module. C. Declare the output in both the root and child module. D. None of the above. Answer: C. 4. You have provisioned some virtual machines, VMs, on Google Cloud Platform, GCP, using the gcloud command line tool. However, you are standardizing with Terraform and want to manage these VMs using Terraform instead. What are the 2 things you must do to achieve this? Choose 2 correct answers. A. Run the Terraform import GCP command. B. Write Terraform configuration for the existing VMs. C. Use the Terraform import command for the existing VMs. D. Provision new VMs using Terraform with the same VM names. Answer: B, C. 5. You add a new resource to an existing Terraform configuration, but do not update the version constraint in the configuration. The existing and new resources use the same provider. The working contains a Terraform lock HC1 file. How will Terraform choose which version of the provider to use? A. Terraform will use the version recorded in your lock file. B. Terraform will use the latest version of the provider for the new resource and the version recorded in the lock file to manage existing resources. C. Terraform will check your state file to determine the provider version to use. D. Terraform will use the latest version of the provider available at the time you provision your new resource. Answer: A. 6. How does Terraform determine dependencies between resources? A. Terraform requires resource dependencies to be defined as modules and sourced in order. B. Terraform automatically builds a resource graph based on resources provisioners, special meta parameters, and the stale file, if present. C. Terraform requires resources in a configuration to be listed the order they will be created to determine dependencies. D. Terraform requires all dependencies between resources to be specified using the depends underscore on parameter. Answer: B. 7. When should you run Terraform init? A. Every time you run Terraform apply. B. Before you start coding a new Terraform project. C. After you run Terraform, plan for the time in a new Terraform project and before you run Terraform apply. D. After you start coding a new Terraform project and before you run Terraform, plan for the first time. Answer: D. 8. Which command must you first run before performing further Terraform operations in a working directory? A. Terraform import. B. Terraform workspace. C. Terraform plan. D. Terraform init. Answer: D. 9. You want to know from which paths Terraform is loading providers referenced in your Terraform configuration, * files. You need to enable additional logging messages to find this out. Which of the following would achieve this? A. Set verbose for each provider in your Terraform configuration. B. Set the environment variable tf_log_trace. C. Set the environment variable tf_log_path. D. Set the environment variable tf_log_trace. Answer: B. 10. What feature stops multiple users from operating on the Terraform state at the same time? A. State locking. B. Version control. C. Provider constraints. D. Remote backends. Answer: A.